Are you one of our new EAS 9 users looking for some tips and tricks on how to use the all-new rich discovery experience?
Welcome back to our EAS How-To series. My name is Pat Darche. I'm here with my friend Trevor Berninger, one of our senior account executives. This EAS How-To series is where we show you our best practices, tips and tricks on how to maximize your EAS archive. Version 9.0 and 10.0 are brand new releases of EAS. Version 10 being the adaptive hosting solution where you can put EAS in Azure, your private data center, our private data center, a third-party data center. Range of hosting alternatives. We're excited about it. Trevor, what are you showing us in this week's tutorial?
Yeah, Pat, that's the great thing about EAS 9 and 10. No matter how or where it's deployed, we provide that same great, rich, new discovery experience that we're diving into today. So we've had a lot of customers make the jump up to version 9, and this has been great because we've been able to get in there, do some training, and really see what the common misconceptions and some of those user onboarding things that we really need to make clear to everybody are. So in this video, we're going to just correct a common misconception that some of these new users are having, where you add the objects at the case level to make sure that you're searching against those right Exchange mailboxes, connector data sources like we have for Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, some of this other stuff we're working on. So this is critical to running the search properly, which is really the key benefit here. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you this common error that everyone's experiencing, and then we'll show how to resolve it. So let's dive in. We'll show the error that I'm describing, and then from there, we'll show the solution. As I suggested there in the intro, the first thing we're going to do is reveal the error message that a lot of people get when they fail to add those objects in the correct place. So the common mistake that a lot of people are undertaking is that they're going straight into Discovery and they are just typing in their search criteria like so. So in this case, I've created a case and I'm going right to the search, which is the common mistake. As you can see, I'm getting no results back for contract, which is a word I'm very confident appears in the archive. So really the way to resolve this is to go to the objects at the case level. So always work from left to right, read and write, add in objects is the first order of business.
Trevor, I can definitely see how this is an error for Ken. I think it's the customer that called you last week on this issue. How did you help Ken with this problem?
Yeah, exactly. For a lot of those IT and litigation support professionals, you're getting requests for different data all day long. You got a backlog. You have other responsibilities you need to do. You need to get this data fast and into the hands of the people that are going to review it, right? So the real key here was that Ken had the presence of mind to give me a ring. We were able to set up a quick video chat, get a screen share going, and we were able to knock out this issue in 3-4 minutes, I think. So this video will show you exactly how we got it done, going to the case level, adding the objects there, and getting on with our day. Okay, so there we saw the consequences of not doing this. You get a failed search. So now we are going to show how, just again, best practice for doing something every time you log right in Discovery is add these objects that you're curious about. So I've pulled up the Manage Objects page. I've got all my different data sources available to me here. I can search via username. I can search via LDAP filter, object IDs, what have you. So in this case, we're going to stick with username, and we are just going to put in a wildcard there. Click Find, and all these Exchange mailboxes are populating for me. I identify the particular ones in question: Robert Jr., Scarlett, user 3, user 5, user 4 is joining the party. How about you, user 6? And we're going to hit OK. And then they have been added to the case. Always hit Save, and you're ready to go. So now I'm just going to run you through the rest of the search process while we're already in here. I've added my 6 total objects to the case. Those are, again, the Exchange mailboxes I'm searching against. I can navigate here over to the Discovery area, type in that same search term I did at the beginning of the video, contract, and voila, as you will see, the results will populate here in just a second. A lot of hits for contract, so it's taken just a moment here. But as you can see, just like that, 4,345 results turned back simply because I added the objects in the right place. So hopefully you saw today, again, one of those just common mistakes that a lot of new users make, the consequences of making that mistake, and then the easy fix for resolving it. So keep them coming. Again, this was a customer submitted use case today. I'll do one every day. If you guys got enough for me, keep them going, 2 a day, 3 a day, whatever we got to do to get you successful with EAS 9 Discovery. Okay, everyone, so as you saw there, originally when we didn't have the objects, we had 0 results, which essentially means you can't fulfill the request and get the data off, get that person that's bugging you to leave you alone. We added the objects in the correct place in the second clip, and then we had 4,500 results or so within a matter of seconds. So the benefit here should be clear. You just got to add the search criteria in the right place. You have to have those objects nailed down in the right place, and then you let EAS do the rest for you. So the other key is to know that anytime you're having a similar issue or this issue, another issue, give me a call. I'm happy to, like I said, hop on a quick WebEx, get the issue resolved with you myself, get you in touch with support, get a free consultation going. Maybe your team needs some refresher training. Whatever it is, we're here to help. Just give me a ring, reference that you watch this video, and we'll tailor that white glove service to you. So, Pat, great to have you back this week.
Great to be back, Trevor.
Excited for next week's topics, but you got to keep them coming. So give me a call, send me a quick email, and we will get everything you need here in the EAS 9 and 10 how-to series.
That's right. Do not forget to give Trevor a call. We'll get you on with Trevor, one of our Prem Cloud experts, and we'll take care of any issue you're having, anything at all. Please give him a call. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're showing you. Trevor, we will see you next week.
Thanks, everybody.